This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. Bishop's Court, located within Church Point, is one of Virginia Beach's best-kept secrets. If you are looking for a gorgeous home with quality updates, functional floor plan for all age levels, security and peace of mind, look no further. Bishop's Court offers the opportunity to live in a community with stately brick homes, gated security, clubhouse, west pool and guest suite. You will notice quality updates and upgrades as you enter the front door. Custom molding, beautiful flooring, new kitchen, bathrooms updates, hidden built-in wet bar in the great room, new roof and water heater, new interior/exterior paint, and gorgeous landscaping with waterfall, screened porch and paver patio. Call for additional